so much for sharing us your extremely cool hobby. Now, it's time for a bit of a performance. It is a very, very cool performance. I've recently returned from Hawaii, performing in the Pacifica and Asia Cultural Festival. They're here, ready to perform just for you and all the cool peeps of Kelson. So please make some noise for the Nu'ulua Performing Arts Academy!
But I think the only way we can kind of describe how the performance was a bit of this. That's how the performance was. So James, coming up, man. Dude, unreal performance. Thank you so much. Boris, you mentioned at the top you guys went to Hawaii to do a bit of a performance for the cultural festival over there. What was that like?
Bro, it was super amazing, yeah. For myself and these guys, they had a good experience, also a cultural experience. It was good to go there because we meet new people. And
just different like cultures and stuff. Yeah. So what other cultures were at the festival?
It was pretty good because we got the opportunity to learn different cultures. For example, the Marquesas, the Tahitian, North Koreans, and many more.
Nice. But of course, obviously, guys, right, the Samoan performance was the best, right? Alright, and I was wondering if you could help James teach us and all the cool peeps here in Tamariki a bit of a move or two?
Yeah.
Sweet as. Alright, take us away.
Can we get everyone to rub their heads together?
Alright, everyone, yeah.
In Samoan culture, we call this the mili mili. And when I say patia, that's one clap. Patia! Patia! And I say loa pati, that means two claps. Loa pati! Loa pati! And I say toss follow after me.
Alright.
You guys got that?
Yeah, they got it.
That's all far. Hey, hey!
Oh!
Hey, hey!
Oh!
And it's start from the beginning.
All right, here we go, guys.
Mili. Patio. Loa Pati. Toto fa. Hey.
Ho!
Hey.
Ho!
Thank you guys.
There we go. One more time, get up for the Northern Performing Arts Academy. All right, we'll keep learning a move or two, and we will be catching you guys on Moody Te Whakata. See you soon.